लीलावती अस्पताल में स्पाइना बिफिडा फाउंडेशन के सहयोग से बच्चों के लिए खास निःशुल्क वैद्यकीय शिविर का आयोजन किया था। इस शिविर में 100 से अधिक बच्चों की वैद्यकीय जांच कराई गई। इस कार्यक्रम में बॉलीवुड अभिनेत्री रवीना टंडन मुख्य अतिथि के रूप में उपस्थित थी।
सारा प्यार और आज बहुत ही खुश हूँ मैं। और हर साल होती हूँ जब मुझे करवाकर जी बुलाते हैं हमारे फाउंडेशन के फाउंडेशन दिन पर। और हम लोगों को हो गए हैं करीब कितने साल साथ में? 10 से ज़्यादा आई थिंक 14-15 साल तो हो गए हैं साथ में। एंड अब ये जितने यहाँ बच्चे हैं हर साल मैं उनको देखती हूँ, मुझे लगता है मेरे बच्चे जैसे बड़े हो रहे हैं। हर साल एक इन बच्चों को बड़ा देखती हूँ। आपकी मम्मी ने और हमने साथ में कल लास्ट टाइम भी फोटो खींचा था साथ में। नमस्कार, कैसे हैं आप? ठीक। तो अच्छा लगता है हर साल बच्चों को देख के कि सिर्फ एक उम्मीद ही नहीं लेकिन एक बहुत खुश चेहरे देख के ये मुस्कुराहट देख के कि कहीं ना कहीं शायद हम सब मिलकर इनके लिए इनकी जो हमारी आगे की पीढ़ी है इनके फ्यूचर के लिए आज हम वो उम्मीद और इनको वो जो आशा है वो दे सकते हैं और ये खूबी निभा रहे हैं। और एक चीज़ आई वुड वांट टू से, ये सब मुझे लगता है मुमकिन नहीं होता until and unless मैं खुद जब उनसे मिली, मैं आई कॉल हिम द मैन विद अ विजन एंड अ मैन विद अ मिशन। सो विजन एंड मिशन इज समथिंग दैट वाज सिनोनिमस विद डॉक्टर संतोष कर्माकर। एक इंस्पिरेशन है ये सबके लिए। तो पहले तो मैं इनको धन्यवाद करना चाहूँगी। जानवी जी जो हर साल मैं इनसे मिलती हूँ, इनको भी धन्यवाद करना चाहूँगी because she's also been doing such great work. I want to thank the kids for achieving what they're achieving and you sing so brilliantly. Yes. तो डॉक्टर विद सिंगिंग, तो आप सर्जरी करेंगी और गाना गाते गाते सुनाएंगी पेशेंट को। Her singing is not putting to sleep singing. Her singing is beautiful. जी, तो मैं समझती हूँ हमारे जितने बच्चे हैं बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं अपनी लाइफ में भी। और मेरी प्रार्थनाएं उन सबके साथ हैं जो हमारे पेरेंट्स हैं, उनको भी कहूँगी दैट व्हाट फैंटास्टिक वर्क एंड व्हाट फैंटास्टिक अपब्रिंगिंग एंड गॉड बी विथ यू ऑल, स्ट्रेंथ बी विथ यू ऑल। आई एम श्योर वी आर ऑल हियर टुगेदर एज द स्पाइना बाइफिडा family. I would like to thank also sir who has come down, Mayor Biotics, and Uma ji is also here. They have also been constantly supporting from a very long time, I think nearly 10 years now probably. And of course even Leelavati Hospital, Rajiv Mehta ji is here with us. I have, I think, come twice before for our spina bifida things at Leelavati itself. So I know that steadfastly you all have supported us and the foundation. And of course, Neeraj, Dr. Neeraj, thank you for providing us the space to hold such a wonderful function. And congratulations to all of you all on the success of another well-deserved Foundation Day. A big round of applause for all of us. Dr. Karmarkar, always inspired and obliged to you for everything.
Never say thank you so much.
No, I do say no at times. When you give me 150 raps, you have to be there. But yes, there are times, unfortunately, when I'm not in town or I'm shooting and there's something or the other going on.
You're getting busier and busier.
But that's good now. कि बच्चे बड़े हो गए now. I have to be there. So if I'm there, these guys are there. These guys are there. The message goes across. Everything is there. So it's all a consolidated effort from all of us. So again, आप सबको बहुत धन्यवाद for even being here this evening. All the doctors, all the faculty, all the staff, and the entire team of the Spina Bifida Foundation. Congratulations to another successful year, and looking forward to much more ahead. Thank you.
Ma'am, one picture with group picture.
Everyone who's here, and most of all, by all the patients and families who have sought our help and in return given help to strengthen the foundation. So I must say that these bonds which we created many years back, and I must say that Raveena ji has been associated since the very beginning, when we that time launched a campaign called Folic Acid Ki Jai, which was I think 2015, and very amply supported by Mayor Vita Biotics. And so I first want to acknowledge Raveena ji and Uma ji, both strong, dynamic ladies.
All other dignitaries present and all our patients and their relatives. So happy to see you on Sunday evening with so much of enthusiasm, because it is the cause which is most important. It is Spina Bifida, which is a real public health problem. We are thankful to Ms. Raveena, who is brand ambassador for such treatment, and with the Spine Foundation. We at Lilavati Hospital, we are fully dedicated to this cause. All the consultants, Dr. Karmarkar, Dr. Redkar, Dr. Anand Bangar, all the doctors here are dedicated to this cause. We try to, sometimes these patients belong to, I would say not sometimes, majority of these patients belong to lower socioeconomic groups. And Lilavati Hospital, with the trustees' support, we are supporting part of the treatment. And it is not our commitment for 1 or 2 patients, it is not for 1 or 2 years, it is for years to come. It is the commitment that each child, whoever is suffering from Spina Bifida, should be given most adequate attention, world-class treatment. In the same regard, in fact, our pediatric nurses, the ones who take care of Spina Bifida patients, have been recently trained by Mayo Clinic, America. The nurses from the nursing directors, nursing administrators from
The causes of Spina Bifida are not entirely understood, but research suggests a combination of genetic, nutritional, and environmental factors. One of the most important preventable causes is a lack of folic acid during early pregnancy. That's why public health campaigners strongly encourage the woman of childbearing age to take folic acid supplements. But let's not just talk about the challenges, let's talk about the resilience. People living with Spina Bifida.
I would like to honor our chief guest, Ms. Raveena Tandon. Thank you for gracing us with your presence.